विसोपरांत तुमकां परत एकदा येवकार। मुखेलमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान सगळ्या तरेच्या जमनीचेर चलपी वाहनांचे उक्तावण केले। गोवा शिपयार्डान CSR इनिशिएटिव्हा खाला कोस्टल पुलिशेक हे वाहन भेटयला। ह्या सुवाळ्याक DGP प्रणब नंदा आनी हेर मानेस्तूय हजर आशिल्ले। आर्टिक सुवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स।
Goa being a tourist destination, Goa police has an enormous responsibility of guarding the borders. The coastline of Goa is about 105 kilometers, and since it is close by to Mumbai, which has had attacks earlier, we also remain vulnerable, the entire coast from here onwards to Karnataka. Every year we have a lot of tourists coming to Goa, and Goa police takes all measures so that there is no incident ever happening in this lovely state. We have also taken a lot of measures in strengthening the coastline security, and towards this end we have been sensitizing the public, the shack owners, the fishermen, everyone, so that they take care of the security aspect so that nothing ever happens in Goa. The Goa police has a fleet of 9 interceptor bulletproof boats deployed for maintaining surveillance along the entire coastline. But boat can only patrol the waters. The coastline and the beaches, they also need patrolling. And towards this, the reason being the other vehicles that we have, they get stuck in sand and they cannot move. Hence we proposed, and CMD Goa Shipyard Limited was kind enough to accede to our request, and under CSR initiative has given us 2 ATVs which will be placed in North and South Goa.
We are sure that our partnership with police authorities will not only result in increasing awareness about safety to be observed at sea, to be followed by general public at large, but also the fishermen folk, local boat operators and the sea surfers. Goa Shipyard Limited has always been conscious of its corporate social responsibility and strives hard to reach out to the population of Goa through its CSR initiatives. We are presently implementing a number of society-oriented development initiatives as part of our CSR program to reach out to more people across all sections of state, and are thankful to the state government authorities for providing all the help meeting our CSR goals.
Specially, thanks for the Goa Shipyard Limited from the Government of Goa for these 2 vehicles also. हाचो उपयोग बिचार वेगवेगळ्या कशा पद्धतीन जातलो, म्हणजे स्पेशली फॉर द कोस्टल सिक्युरिटी आसाच. देर इज ऑलवेज थ्रेट फॉर द कोस्टल सिक्युरिटी, म्हणजे आफ्टर द मुंबई अटॅक वी आर ऑलवेज अलर्ट फॉर द कोस्टल सिक्युरिटी. आणि पुराय कोस्टल सिक्युरिटी फोर्स दे आर डुईंग व्हेरी गुड जॉब. आणि ताका लागूनच म्हाका दिसता आज पर्यंत गोंयांत अशा पद्धतीची केन्नाच आमी म्हणटले की केन्ना डॅरिंग करूंक ना, आनी हाज्याय फुडें डॅरिंग करचे ना, बिकॉज वी हॅव द गुड सिक्युरिटी फोर्स. ताका लागूनच आमी सेफ आसा, सेक्युअर्ड आसा हें म्हणपाक काय हरकत ना.